Ah! What the fuck?
Is it coming inside the van?
Nah, just on the door a little bit.
Dude, I used to drive in this shit, you know, with fucking dump trucks.
Here you go, yo. Don't drop that shit out the window. It's fucking recording right now, so.
Yeah.
Great.
Snowstorm 2010.
Woo. Virginia Beach.
This is rach.
This is rach coming out good.
So you hike from Magic Holiday?
The door's open. We're just chilling, driving. Scotty's driving. Hey, man.
What's up?
I'll sit in the front.
Rain and crack.
Yes. There's cocaine all over the floor. All over.
Get my ass strong.
Just stick your tongue out.
Main bet.
Yeah. Doors all open and shit. Driving in her mom's van. Nobody back there. Oh, cop and shit. Oh shit. He didn't even look. I got him on camera.
Probably like, what the fuck you got your door?
He ain't even noticed. He don't give a shit.
Nah, fuck you, turd.
Car spa. Family dentistry.
I was weak as a bitch we got fucking pulled over.
Family dentistry over there. Car spa, $6. That's what it's looking like these days. Fucking people park, chilling, you know. People pointing at us because the door's open and shit. Here's another Sev.
7-Eleven number 2.
Woo! Duchess. Will you be my Duchess? We're gonna put you on pause for a sec, buddy.